Alright, the first question is about simplifying. So we know that we cannot cancel the m square here with the m because this is one term. The numerator is one term. So what I need to do is to actually factorize them. So I need to factorize them separate into two different brackets. So take out the common. To factorize, you can take out the common factor or use cross method or special products. In this case, we're going to take out the common factor, which is 6m, leaving behind 2m minus 3. M is already taken out, so left with that over 21m. Now this is separate, okay, so that's why you can cancel this m with this m, not with this m, because this m is together with the family 2m minus 3 is together. You want to cancel anything in this bracket, it must be together in multiplication. So I can cancel this m with this m. I can divide by 3. I can divide by 3, becomes 7. So the answer for this is 4m minus 6 over 7. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Next one, same thing. I do not cancel anything yet. Okay, because I want to simplify, what I need to do is actually factorize. Let's factorize this numerator. Common factor, I have m, and I can take out 3, leaving behind 2m minus 3 taken out, m taken out, leaving behind n. Denominator, same thing. Now the denominator, I realize that I can't take out any common factor. Here got m, here got n. But then it looks very familiar because it looks like special products. So 4, square root of 4 is 2. So I have 2m minus n, 2m plus n. Special products. Remember, anything with a square, anything with a square. This one is actually this is actually this, if you remember. Special products number 3 states that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b, just to recap. So at this point, I can cancel and cancel. It gives me 3m over 2m plus n. Okay. Just in case, okay, in another case where it's not 2m minus n, but it's n minus 2m, the other way, what you need to do is to just introduce a negative sign. Okay, if it is the other way, you can't cancel because n comes first. Then to change their position, you just introduce a negative sign. Okay, that in another case lah. For this particular question C, division, all are in multiplication. There's no plus minus in between, so safe. You can do the cancellations. But before that, please flip over. Since this is a division, please flip over the second term first. When you do the cancellation, be very careful, don't miss out any parts. So this B with this B, top and bottom, okay? Top and bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. So I have a z square 6x. Alright? Okay, now here we have plus minus in between. So we need to be careful. We just flip over. When I say division, the first thing I want to do is probably flip over. Then I realize A, here got 2 minus 3, 2x minus 3, here also 2x minus 3. I can cancel the whole thing. So I cancel, there's 2 of them, so I cancel only 1. 4 and 2, get 2. So I have x over, there's 2 here, right? I put it in front. And 2x minus 3. That's my final answer. Now this one, before I want to do any cancellation, I look at this. Oh, it's not multiplication, it's an addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction, first thing I want to do is make the denominator the same. So I multiply this whole thing by u, this whole thing by v. So I get u bracket 1 minus u plus v, right? So v bracket 1 minus v over v, u times v. U times v become uv at the denominator. I skip one step basically. So here you do your expansion. Expansion means rainbow method, isn't it? So I have u minus u square plus v minus v square over uv. That's my final answer.